Stop everything right now. What you're about to hear in this video isn't designed to impress women. It's crafted to transform you into the kind of man she can never forget. If you stay until the very end, the way you speak, the way you think, and the way you're perceived will shift forever in a powerful way. But first things first, take just 30 seconds to like this video and subscribe to Relationship Psychology. Your support genuinely helps this kind of eye-opening content reach more awakened men just like you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Phrase 1. I love who you are, not what you do for me. This line sounds straightforward at first glance, yet very few men truly grasp its depth, and even fewer live it authentically. In real life, so many relationships kick off in exactly the same pattern. A man feels drawn in, he starts putting in effort, investing time, attention, sometimes money or big promises. Without realizing it, he's broadcasting this underlying message. I value you because you make me feel secure, because you boost my ego, or because you give me things. The issue is, a woman picks up on that subtle pressure instantly. She senses that her worth is tied to what she provides, not to who she truly is at her core. Picture a very real scenario. She texts less for a couple of days. A weaker man gets anxious, double texts, pushes, explains himself. But a grounded man stays composed. When they meet, he looks her in the eye and says calmly, without any drama, I love who you are, not what you do for me. In that exact moment, everything shifts. Why? Because those words set her free. They communicate clearly. You don't have to perform. You don't need to earn my affection. I already see you. Many women carry this hidden fear of letting someone down, of not being present enough, sweet enough, flawless enough. This phrase lifts that heavy burden. And when a woman feels truly accepted on that deep level, she bonds emotionally in a profound way. Here's the key warning. This only lands with real impact if you're not needy. If you say it while secretly fishing for reassurance, it loses all strength. But when you're centered, focused on your own path, fully aligned with your life, then it becomes magnetic. A man rooted in psychology doesn't love out of emptiness. He loves from a place of genuine choice. Wisdom insight, Marcus Aurelius taught, don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do, and your life will flow serenely. Bring this into your relationships. Stop trying to control her actions. When you value a woman purely for who she is, you naturally become stronger, more respected, and far more attractive. Phrase 2. You have nothing to prove to me. This is one of the most underrated yet emotionally explosive lines a man can deliver. In everyday reality, countless women live under relentless pressure to look perfect, to stay interesting, to be enough. Even when she's laughing or teasing, a quiet part of her wonders, am I sufficient? Am I doing enough to keep him interested? Now imagine a moment many viewers will recognize instantly. You're together, and she apologizes for something trivial. Her outfit, her mood, replying slowly. An average guy brushes it off vaguely or misses the point entirely. But a calm, rooted man meets her eyes and says simply, you have nothing to prove to me. Pause. Deep breath. Tension melts away. Why does this hit so hard? It shatters the performance mask. Right then, you stand apart from 90% of men. No judgment, no subtle tests, no comparisons. You prove emotional stability, and that's massive. Women aren't hunting for flawless. They're drawn to inner solidity. In practice, this creates instant safety. When a woman feels emotionally safe with you, she opens up, shares deeply, and attaches strongly. But truth check. This isn't a trick. It's the natural outcome of your mindset. If you utter nothing to prove while quietly expecting her to deliver something, she'll feel the inconsistency. Authenticity is everything. A psychologically strong man doesn't require her to over-adapt. He knows his worth and stays steady even when she wavers. Ironically, the less pressure you apply, the more she chooses to stay close. Wisdom insight. Epictetus said, what disturbs people is not things themselves, but the judgments they form about things. Apply it here. Drop the judgments. Release excessive expectations. You become that rare man who brings calm instead of stress. And that calm is irresistibly attractive. Phrase 3. I love the way your mind works. It seems almost too simple, nearly ordinary, yet it reaches a depth most men never touch. In the real world, women hear the same tired compliments endlessly. You're beautiful, you're sexy, you're hot. Those stroke the surface ego but leave no lasting mark. They target the body, not the mind. They're cheap and forgettable. Now picture a late-night conversation many have lived through. She opens up about something personal, her past, her worldview, her fears, her ambitions. Most guys half listen, hunt for a clever reply or steer it back to themselves. But you stay fully present, truly hearing her. Then with quiet confidence you say, I love the way your mind works. Suddenly you're not praising her looks. You're honoring her intellect. That's when real depth ignites. Why so powerful? It speaks directly to her core identity. She can change hairstyles, outfits, even body shape. But the way her mind works is who she truly is. When you value that, you display real emotional maturity. You show you see past the superficial. You become unforgettable. In real interactions, this makes her feel deeply understood. And a woman who feels understood stops looking elsewhere. But it must be earned. Don't throw it out mechanically. Truly notice her logic, her sensitivity, her unique perspective on life. Then deliver it calmly, without hype, with pure presence. A psychologically grounded man speaks sparingly, but every word carries weight. In modern dating, men chase impressing. The strong man simply recognizes, and that recognition builds a bond stronger than any flashy move. Wisdom, insight. Seneca reminded us, it is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. Dare to stand out. Value essence over appearance. Dare to see deeply. That's how you forge authentic connections rooted in respect and inner strength. Phrase 4. I'm perfectly fine being alone, but I choose you. This may be one of the strongest declarations a man can make. Why? It radiates the inner independence so many lack. In real relationships, too many start on shaky ground. A guy attaches too fast, reshapes his schedule, opinions, priorities out of fear of loss. He clings, silently screaming, "Without you, I'm incomplete." No woman wants that burden. Imagine the classic moment. She says she needs space, time to think. She's unsure. Most men spiral, argue, bargain, plead. A centered man listens fully. Then, without anger or begging, he replies, "I'm perfectly fine being alone, but I choose you." The entire dynamic flips. Why? It proves you're acting from strength, not desperation. You don't need her to feel complete. You want her because you've deliberately chosen her. That shift creates massive respect and raw desire. A woman respects a man unafraid of solitude, and respect fuels attraction. Critical note, this only works if it's genuine. If you're terrified of being alone or your life feels empty, it rings hollow. But with real goals, discipline, and purpose, it flows naturally. A psychologically strong man doesn't beg to be chosen. He chooses boldly and keeps moving regardless. Paradoxically, that's what makes others want to follow. Wisdom, insight. Marcus Aurelius noted, "The worth of a man is measured by what he devotes his energy to." If your energy pours into fearing loss, you weaken yourself. Anchor it in your mission, your growth, your discipline, and you turn magnetic effortlessly. Phrase 5. You can be completely yourself with me. This line taps into a hidden, powerful need. Emotional freedom. In real life, so many women never feel fully free in relationships. They censor words, suppress feelings, hide vulnerabilities to avoid judgment, rejection, or misunderstanding. Picture a familiar scene. She's tired, less bubbly, a bit withdrawn, or even sharp. An insecure man takes it personally, shuts down, accuses, sparks conflict. But a grounded man observes, understands not every mood targets him. He stays present and says calmly, "You can be completely yourself with me." That opens a safe space. Why so potent? It dissolves the fear of rejection for her real emotions. It says, no role-playing required, no perfection needed, just be true. Often this triggers silence, then a deeper breath, then real vulnerability, the birthplace of authentic connection. But here's the core truth. Saying this demands serious self-mastery. If you claim, "Be yourself," yet react poorly to her raw feelings, trust shatters instantly. A psychologically strong man doesn't control her. He controls himself. In a world obsessed with possession, the man who grants freedom becomes truly powerful. This doesn't mean blind acceptance of anything. It means, I'm solid enough to handle your truth without losing my balance. That strength is exceptionally rare. Women talk to many men, but they only truly open to those who make them feel free and secure. Wisdom, insight. Another Stoic principle urges, don't demand things happen as you wish, but wish them to happen as they do. In relationships, accepting emotions without forcing control reveals profound inner strength. True mastery isn't dominating others. It's remaining steady amid whatever arises. Phrase 6. I promise you nothing except my truth. This one is intense. Not because it scares women, but because it instantly exposes weak men. In reality, too many guys overpromise too soon. Eternal love, forever staying, future plans before truly knowing themselves. Deep down, those vows often mask fear. Fear of abandonment, of not measuring up, of loss. Picture her asking directly, "Do you think this could go somewhere serious?" Most men say whatever sounds good, sugarcoat, reassure, sometimes lie unconsciously. A solid man pauses, breathes, refuses to chase approval. He says calmly, "I promise you nothing except my truth." The silence that follows speaks volumes. Why so impactful? It carries three rare qualities: raw honesty, real courage, total consistency. It declares, "I'm not performing, I'm not selling fantasies, I'm fully aligned with who I am." Surprisingly, that's precisely what many women crave but rarely voice. In practice, it builds deep respect. And without respect, lasting love can't exist. Warning, this requires genuine inner strength, because truth means accepting she might walk away. But a psychologically grounded man knows lies crumble over time, while truth endures. This line doesn't cling, it creates space for free choice, and that's where real bonds form. In a sea of pretense, the authentic man stands out, and what stands out becomes priceless. Wisdom insight. As one Stoic put it, "Be faithful to yourself, and you will never betray anyone." True masculine power flows not from control, but from alignment between words and actions. Live in your truth, and you no longer need to persuade. Your presence alone draws people in. If you've made it this far, it's no accident. It means you're not chasing shallow seduction tactics. You're building yourself into a solid, respected, clear-eyed man. These 6 phrases aren't magic scripts. They're mirrors of your inner growth. Remember, women don't just hear your words. They feel who you are beneath them. If this brought real value, share it with someone who needs it without realizing. The only way to support relationship psychology is by subscribing, liking, and sharing. It signals to the algorithm that this content truly helps people. Drop in the comments what you think of this video and, most importantly, which phrase you're applying starting today. I read everyone and reply when I can. Stay grounded, stay in command of yourself, and never forget, real power moves in silence.